Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert a comment to your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for the Keynote application, enter to open up the application itself. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to the top toolbar, go to File, go to Open. This should take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this, go to Open, wait for that to load. Now what we will do is open up or add a new slide into this presentation. And the purpose of this tutorial is to insert a comment. So let's go to the top navigation menu, click on Comment. Let's now increase the size of the comment itself. Let's just say Computer Science Videos. We can delete this if we want to. We can click on this, Command C to copy, go to another slide. Click on the slide itself and paste that comment. If we wish to, move this around if we need to. And there we go. So, Command S to save, quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.